Hello guys, your Gyan portal again back with our series on the portal which is about the C++, basic about the DSA course of C++, and we already learned about the basics of C++ skeletons, C++ coding program, their syntaxes, all the things we already go through. Now it's all about the logic development, and before and so going to direct to the problems, I say we have to practice how to develop the logic in the programming. So their basic level, like as you know, building is built by brick. Similar like that, our basic to hire the next trick is going to be logic development, and we think logic by starting a new concept, by starting a new series of patterns. And in this series I say we have solving a lot of questions about patterns, and how we building the logic, how we taking the symmetry of the question, and how we analyze it. So basically, our first pattern, our first thing, if we talk, we say there is a today we discuss the first pattern problem. And before going to the pattern problem, I must say you must subscribe this channel, share this video to your friends, and we can make a good bond, guys. सो स्टार्ट करते हैं. सबसे पहले अगर हम पैटर्न की बात करें तो आज का जो पैटर्न से पहले जाने से पहले हम ये कहेंगे कि यार पैटर्न के ना कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं. जब भी आप किसी क्वेश्चन को पैटर्न को देखते हो तो आपको यार हमेशा समझने की जरूरत होता है कि पैटर्न्स क्या होते हैं. लूप्स के क्वेश्चंस पे वर्क करता है. पैटर्न्स हमेशा लूप्स के क्वेश्चन पे वर्क करता है, और ये जो है दो लूप्स, मतलब आपका नेस्टेड लूप्स पे वर्क करता है. एक आपका आउटर लूप होगा, एक आपका उसका अनदर इनर लूप होगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको क्या करना है, हमेशा अपने उसमें पैटर्न में कॉलम्स को काउंट करना है, जिससे आपको पता चले कि आपको आउटर लूप कितने पे चलाना है. देन यू हैव टू कंसिडर द इनर लूप. देयर इज सम कनेक्शन बिटवीन रोज एंड कॉलम्स इन दैट, so you have to analyze that part. And the next part is about the printed. You have to give a printed option always in the inner loop, and always try to observe the symmetry ki what the question have going to say to you. Like I take a similar problem, like our today's pattern which I going to take is like this. Okay, as you see the basic pattern, and in there is a n rows and there is a n columns, and so we must have to take some n value as a input. So first of all we basically considered not a n value, we considered as a rows 5 columns 5, and we make our and we developing our logic. Like I say like int I equals to I5 I plus plus as our outer loop. Then I go into the inner loop as int j 0 j5 and j plus plus. And now it's time to see out, and we have to see out our star. And after the star as printed, we are going to see out at when the whole column is completed. That time we have to, now I print it. It's take time. Okay, as you see our logic and our code is printed similar like this. Yes, you are right, sir, the code is printed. But as you considered the 5 is okay, no, we have to make a function, because when you are in coding rounds, or when you are like at that time you are required, not pattern questions are asking to you, but there are concept of about functioning कि how you give the input to the function and how you only have to write the function. So I must say it's a void function of print, and we given a n value. We say it's take a n value, and in that n value I say I cut it and I paste here, and as an input I take n, I see an n, and I just pass it to the function. And now if I given it 6, for 6 it's printed, okay, as okay, हमने 5 wait, yes, now as I given to 7, the 7 is printed. So guys, this is our pattern 1 problem, and you also try this problem, and we came with a new pattern problem in the next question. So till then, connect with us. Hope we meet soon.